Welcome to our showcase. Today, we explore how you can build your blog with Momen. In a world where platforms come and go, owning your content platform is more important than ever. Content isn't just king, it's a digital asset that works for you 24/7. Let's dive into why Momen is a perfect solution for creating a blog. Many bloggers rely on third-party CMS tools. While these platforms offer convenience with pre-built modules, they often come with significant limitations. If you are a business looking to market through content or a professional blogger wanting to monetize your expertise, Momen provides unparalleled control. Owning your blog site ensures 100% data ownership, authority building for your brand, direct conversions to your products, and opportunities to monetize your digital assets. With Momen, you can achieve these goals while spending minimal time and cost to build your site, and also avoiding the expenses of multiple plugins. You can enjoy a fully customized front-end tailored to your needs, and you can leverage a robust backend for limited content. And what's more, you can integrate a custom domain and on-page SEO for maximum impact. Now, let's explore how you can build your blog with Momen. Data is the core of your web app. We start by defining your data model, which dictates user interaction and functionality. Here is the example data model in our blog. Your model will include a blog table which stores your content, including title, body, and cover image, the author table that contains author information, establishing one-to-many relationships for multiple blogs per author, the tag table that helps categorize your posts, and FAQs that improve your SEO with frequently asked questions. You can also have a related post table which enhances internal link for better SEO. Of course, you can adjust the data model and the fields in each table according to your business needs. Once the data model are built, the structure of a database is completed. Database is where you can view and manage your data. Once we set up the model, we can populate the database with your data. Now we can design our user interface. The blog has 4 main pages: home, search, reading list, and blog detail. To build your UI, you can drag and drop components on your page and configure the settings for each component on the right sidebar. In our blog, a key component is the list, which displays data in the same format dynamically. Lists can only be bound with remote data in your database. The benefit is that you won't need to modify the UI if you want to add or update content. When database content changes, your front-end updates automatically. Data binding is a crucial step to connect your backend with your front-end. For individual components like titles, images, you select them and bind them to the corresponding fields in your table. By clicking the mirror in the right corner of the editor, you can preview your app in real time. This function is useful when you make a change in the UI or check if you bind data successfully. Preview is for generate the latest version before publishing to check the functionality. You can preview how your app runs in a real web environment via the link. Once everything is done, hit Publish to deploy your app. Configure a custom domain in the setting if you desire. On-page SEO helps search engines to understand your content and improve your rank in search results. Boost your rankings and attract organic traffic by setting SEO parameters like sitemap, title, description, keywords, and h tags for each page. Building a blog with 4 pages and a complete database takes about 6 to 8 hours, making it much more efficient than traditional coding. For future content updates, you can simply update in your database. If you want to save more time, we offer a free built-out template for you.